Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of March 6, 2012. The charts in this presentation come from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess. And the first chart we'll look at is a weekly bond chart, which looks like it has for, 6 months now. The sideways pattern continues. Even our momentum indicator is just sort of scrunched down to nothing here. So, that tends to indicate that we're probably due to have something happen. Although, as I've said before, you got a market that wants to go down and a Fed that wants to prop it up. I don't know how you resolve that. But for now, we're looking at resistance in the 142.16 area up above the market. And let's call this 140 down here below the market. I think this market is clearly focused on the unemployment report for Friday. Maybe that'll be enough impetus to blow it out one way or the other. But even if they take out those areas we identified, obviously we've got various swing highs and lows throughout this congestion area that could also be barriers. Hey, they're not going to break out until they do. How's that for being profound, huh? Now, in stocks, we have a much different situation. They've been rallying virtually all year. S&P has never closed down more than 10 points any day. And Tuesday, they closed down 20 points. So that takes care of that. Obviously, the biggest break we've seen in a while. Now, here's the situation. We've got good support down here in the, let's call it the 1290 area, kind of coincides with this previous swing high back here from 2011. Also this swing low here, so clearly that's a pretty critical area, and if they get there, that's probably a good buy. I kind of don't think the high is in. I think they're going to make at least one more poke at it. If maybe it's just a retest, but I think they'll probably go higher. The one thing that makes me think it might be worthwhile buying in here, March 6th happens to be when this entire bull move began in 2009. So, the 3-year anniversary, could that bring in a low? Gosh, it's not always that easy, but sometimes it is. So it's possible that this is all they're going to do and turn right back up and at least test this high, if not go to new highs over the next couple weeks. But they certainly could go down below 1300, and if they do, that'll probably be an awfully good buy. So that's what we're looking at today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Thanks for looking in to see what we think.